we will study two different genomes. One is genome from the plant kingdom and the second genome is from animal kingdom. In case of plant kingdom, we will study the genome of Arabidopsis thaliana, which is a model organism in plant biology and genetics. In case of Arabidopsis thaliana, which is a model plant, Arabidopsis have 5 chromosomes. In case of diploid, the chromosome number is 10. These are the 5 chromosomes of Arabidopsis thaliana. Arabidopsis thaliana contains approximately 135 megabases of the sequence. It encodes approximately 27,000 genes and 35,000 proteins. Arabidopsis thaliana has 35% unique genes, has 37% genes that exist as member of large gene families, mean families of 5 protein or more than 5 proteins. An estimated 58 to 60% of the Arabidopsis thaliana genome exist as large segmental duplications. Arabidopsis genome contains gene encoding RNA polymerase subunits not seen in other eukaryotic organisms. Arabidopsis have genes unique to plants. Approximately 150 unique protein families were found, including 16 unique families of transcription factors. In this diagram, we can see that there are 5 different chromosomes in case of Arabidopsis thaliana genome. These bars correspond to the chromosomes, chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On all these 5 chromosomes, we can see the segmental duplications. Here we can see that this segment of the DNA is also present on another chromosome. In this example, we can see that a large segment of DNA is present on another chromosome. So in case of Arabidopsis thaliana, there are 5 different chromosomes that constitute the total genome of the Arabidopsis, and all the 5 chromosomes, they have large segmental duplications. So if we conclude about the genome of the Arabidopsis, Arabidopsis has 5 chromosomes. It contains approximately 135 MB of the genome. It encodes 27,000 genes and it encodes approximately 35,000 proteins.